Hello, 4-5 Conceptual Physics. Unfortunately, I'm not able to be there today, but Miss Emmer is there to work with you guys. Today, what you'll be doing is you will be doing some research and development of your ideas for the project that you'll be finishing up at the end of the week. I say finishing up because tomorrow I certainly plan on being at school, and we will go over the review questions that I gave you guys, and in going over those review questions we will be finishing up the chapter. We also have on Wednesday then another test, another small test. Then we'll be doing our project that we talked about. The project that you'll be working on is let me put it in here for dramatic here. Ta-da! Mousetrap card. And this is a car powered by mousetraps. Some of you may be wondering, how on earth does that work? And that's part of research and development. Your task today is to go out on the web and find, pictures, websites, things that will help you understand, number one, how the mousetrap car works. Number two, what materials you will need. Materials I will supply you with, the mousetrap. I will supply you the mousetrap. That way I can ensure that everyone in the class is the same brand of mousetrap, because there is a difference amongst brands and everyone's getting the same amount of power. Things you will be allowed to do to the mousetrap will be to attach it to your car. You can lengthen the snapping arm if you like. You cannot alter the spring of the mousetrap. You're just not allowed to do that. Those are the restrictions. There's no, you're not allowed to put balloons on, no electric motors, no firecrackers, anything like that. The car must be powered 100% by the mousetrap. So research and develop your ideas on what you're going to build, what materials you're going to need. Now, we saw with the balloon cars how people tend to forget the materials. Every day you will lose 25% of the total grade if your team shows up with no materials, or if one person brings materials and the other people don't bring any materials, your team will be docked 25% of the total grade. Bring your stuff. Don't depend on someone unreliable, someone who's always absent, to bring stuff. Someone, make sure your group mates are honest with you. If they're going to blow off school, make sure they tell you so that you don't lose points. Alright? So your goal today is to come up with a plan. You're to give me a diagram of the parts of your car, the materials that you plan on bringing, and who is responsible for bringing those materials. So you might have a little diagram that has a couple wheels here. Wheels. Sorry, it's not exactly going to be high art. As you can see, I'm making it with shapes. You're going to be all like, oh, well, Dakota's bringing the wheels. Zach's bringing this wooden thing here, and I'm gonna bring this these pieces of wire to go there, and you're gonna have a far more detailed drawing than that, but something like that. You're gonna say who's bringing what and what parts they are. Okay, that way if one person doesn't bring their stuff, we can trace back to who is irresponsible. That paper is to be turned in before class is over, and if you turn it in within 5 minutes, you clearly did not think hard enough. You must do research. Good luck.